Thanks, everyone. Oh, cool. This is my first time actually using one of these. Exciting. For good things. So deepfakes can be awful, right? I'm sure we've all heard about nefarious uses of deepfakes. Probably the first thing that comes to mind is some terrible use of deepfakes when you hear the word. On the left side here, we've got, on your right side, your left information, and just steal a bunch of people's money. And then on the other side, we've got, well, I'm sure everyone heard about what happened with Taylor Swift this weekend. Twitter went from X to XXX just with Taylor Swift explicit deepfakes. So lots of terrible things have been done with deepfakes, and I'm sure will continue to be done with them. But deepfakes don't have to be used for evil. In fact, deepfakes can be used for a lot of good. This is actually a campaign by Malaria No More, which is a UK foundation in which they got David Beckham to speak about malaria. And they actually used lip sync technology and voice cloning to translate David Beckham's message from English into a bunch of other languages. And we can check that out. We get sound on the video. Yeah.
Población que ha existido.
Video numero 5.
We'll start.
Malaria isn't just any disease. It's the deadliest disease there's ever been.
Se dice que ha matado más de la mitad de la población que ha existido.
Video numero 5 مرتقي.
وما زالت تقتل طفلا كل دقيقتين.
Mais nous pouvons y mettre fin. Nous savons comment, nous en avons la possibilité.
हमें और अधिक कार्रवाई की जरूरत है.
Pretty cool, right? As far as I know, David Beckham only speaks English, but through the magic of AI, of deepfakes, he was able to convey his message in a bunch of other languages for this campaign. And this is what we do too. Maverick actually uses the same underlying tech behind deepfakes. So that's lip sync technology, voice cloning, and generative AI video in order to help e-commerce brands create and send personalized video messages to each of their customers at scale. And I'll show you an example of what that means in a little bit. But what's exciting is that this helps brands create a real personal connection with every single one of their customers, and that helps them drive revenue, LTV, and lots of delighted responses from their customers. So just a couple counting stats for Maverick. In the past couple of years, we've sent over 3 million AI-generated personalized videos on behalf of brands. One of the things that we get a lot of from this is direct customer feedback, which I'll share a little bit of later as well. And we've gotten over 78,000 direct customer responses to these brands. And brands that are using our platform typically see around 40x ROI. So for every dollar you're putting into Maverick, you're getting $40 back from one of these videos. And today we're working with a lot of awesome brands. We hope to grow this a ton over the next couple of years as well. Some names that we're fortunate enough to work with today. So to talk a little bit about the product, Maverick basically helps.
And congratulations for taking
Samantha and we.
Teresa, thank you for your purchase. Jocelyn, thank you for your purchase. Casey, thank you for your purchase.
So in every single one of those videos, we actually replaced with what she was. And we actually don't need a ton of data in order to get this set up for brands. All we need is a base video. So this is usually a 15 to 30 second message that brands record. Usually it'll be the founder of the brand, sometimes a team member, customer success person, something like that. And then we just need 15 minutes of audio data. We provide you with the script. You just go through it once, bang it out, and then we've got enough data to then go and generate videos for every single one of your customers. You'll check a few out, make sure easily with all of your favorite e-commerce platforms. So most of our are really easy for us to integrate with, so we can get also other through your popular CRM, get these videos out. So what we've got here is an example of a Klaviyo flow that brand has set up. I believe this is an abandoned cart flow that they've got to your customer, personalized for this one is Julie, a landing page where they can play the video and also respond directly to the brand owner, or if you scroll down on this page, there's a CTA to take them directly back to their cart or to another point of purchase that you want to take them to. SMS is another awesome way to deliver these videos. Typically, brands will start with email and then incorporate SMS. I think, as we all know, like SMS has kind of taken the e-commerce marketing world by storm the past couple of years. The kind of returns, click rate, and revenue driven by SMS has been pretty amazing. And so we've started building out more of these integrations. So this is a brand's postscript flow on the left, where they just send a simple text message with a link to the Maverick video, and that takes the customer directly to a page where they can watch this video that's been created personally for them as well. And brands tend to send these really at any touch point along the customer journey. The most popular ones are abandoned checkout and post-purchase about this product that they're about to read is about making money. Brands also use these in their welcome flows as well when you're for things like different offers with these videos as well. Of these videos to date, we've gotten 78,000 or so direct responses just like this. Really like getting these videos from brands. And then you will see, metrics that you care about as a marketer. You will see awesome open rates, click rates. I think most brands that we get set up with tell us that the engagement rates that they see with their videos, the highest of any fair brands. But in the last 90 days, we've sent 160,000 messages for them and driven over $640,000 in attributed revenue for this brand as well. Cool, so that's where the Maverick platform is today, but what is in store for next year? So for 2024, we're gonna focus on helping you do the two things that you wanna do as marketers. So one, you wanna make your customers really happy, and two, you wanna make just about as much money as Kim Kardashian has. So we're gonna do a few things. First off, we're gonna make it easier for brands to start sending videos to customers. Today, Maverick operates very much as a white glove service. So you'll get on a call with one of our team members, usually my co-founder Eitan, who's sitting in the audience right here. He'll guide you through the entire process of recording your videos and getting set up. But there are also lots of brands that are like, I don't want to talk to you. I just want to start using your product from day one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to help you generate scripts for that create, and you don't have to put in the work of writing a script. And then there's another category of people who are like, yo, this is great, but I don't like being in front of camera. What do I do? Maverick's actually already started providing actors for brands that want to get up and running with video messages, but don't actually want to record the video themselves. So we're going to scale out directly on their pages. So if you noticed a few slides ago, I mentioned customer gets an email or an SMS, they click on it, and then they're taken to a Maverick hosted landing page. That's all well and good, but I think most brands actually just want the video to live directly on their page where they can control the experience and there's a direct path to purchase on those pages. And so that's what we're gonna do. These are a couple of early beta. And then we're gonna start generating more unique types of image and video content. Today, we've got the personalized founder video, which is super exciting, really drives delight, but there's a lot more in the world of AI generated video that we can do. So we can do AI animated images, so put in a static image and get one that's slightly animated, or just taking in all of the assets that you've already grabbed and then creating a personalized video for your customer based on the product info that you have. And then we're actually going to start generating more personalized content outside of videos today. So if you take a step back, yes, today what Maverick does is we take a little bit of data about your customers, their name, their email, and then we generate a personalized video that you send or that you've collected about your customers, and using AI to help you generate personalized, tailored content for them. So this could be data like purchase history, this could be what emails they clicked on in the past, what they opened in the past, like anything else you've collected. And then we can use that to generate content that speaks directly to them. So we're going to start generating subject lines, email copy, images, offer, AI, and machine learning. So I'll be around for a bit to answer any questions. And if you want to check us out, we are at trymaverick.com. Thank you very much.